This video is all about the new Fitbit Luxe. The things I like and the things I dislike. You're gonna learn about features, why the Luxe instead of the already known cheaper models, and my final opinion. As always, please like the video if it was helpful, and let's go. The new Fitbit model has enough watch faces, custom options, and looks for every person. It comes in different colors and even has the option for a luxury bracelet band. It's obvious this is done to attract women who don't like the normal Fitbit look and for the men who think the regular Fitbit is uglier. It's also a plus that you can always see the heartbeat live on the Fitbit as an option, as well as the date, calories burned, or any of the other options. It has a color screen, which I like a lot, and the haptic feedback for setting a timer, for example, or selecting how many minutes is also very refined and feels great. The Fitbit Luxe has no physical buttons, and once again I like this fact for the aesthetics. It's also a lot smaller than, let's say, an Apple Watch, and offers a lot of the same experience like notifications and seeing where you're getting called, although it has no actual mic to talk to. The Fitbit Luxe also has an IPX8 rating, which basically means waterproof. Now the other side of this is the price. At 150 euros, it's not cheap. And for a little more, you can get the Fitbit Versa 3, which has a bigger profile. Or let's say the Apple Watch Series 3. It also has a few new features like stress score, but this feature will come to other models too. So the only thing in my opinion which it is worth getting for are if you like the design, if you want a color display, or if you just want the newest thing. The Fitbit Inspire 2 does most of that for a lot less. So keep that in mind if you purchase this one. Also, I hate that the Fitbit Premium gets pushed so hard every time you use the app. You get 1 year for free if you buy the subscription, but it still feels like I bought something which was 20 euros and comes with bloatware. I feel like Premium was a very bad move and adds nothing. So my final conclusion, don't buy this Fitbit if you just want a fitness tracker. It's too expensive to justify it, but if you really like the design, go for it. Just know that you won't really have any advantage except a colored screen and a few features. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much and have a nice day.